Class 10th, Social Science, History, Chapter 1, Nationalism in Europe. Important questions for all exams. Quarterly exam. What were the measures of majoritarianism in Sri Lanka to establish Sinhalese dominance? What were the measures of majoritarianism in Sri Lanka to establish Sinhalese dominance? 1. The constitution will promote only Buddhism. 2. Sinhala language will be the national language of Sri Lanka. 3. Sinhala-speaking people will get government jobs. What were the demands of political organizations in the 1980s? By the 1980s, several political organizations had emerged in Sri Lanka demanding an independent region of Tamil Eelam. What is horizontal division of powers? 1. When there is division of power between different organs of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary, it is called horizontal division of powers.
What do you understand by civil war? Civil war is a war between organized groups within a single nation. What does majoritarianism mean in Sri Lanka? Majoritarianism refers to the political and social dominance of the majority ethnic or religious group over minority groups in society. In Sri Lanka, majoritarianism is a significant issue that has led to ethnic tensions, violence, and discrimination against minority groups, particularly Tamils and Muslims. What do you understand by decentralization in India? When power is taken away from the central and state governments and given to the local government, it is called decentralization. The basic idea behind decentralization is that there are many problems and issues that can be best solved at the local level. What do you understand by pressure group? In the context of pressure groups, it can be said that when an organization influences political power to fulfill the interests of its members and if it exerts pressure to fulfill them, then that organization is called a pressure group. What is a coalition government? A coalition government is a cabinet of a parliamentary government, in which many political parties cooperate, due to which the dominance of any one party within the coalition is less. The common reason given for this system is that no party can obtain a majority in parliament on its own strength. How did the feeling of separatism develop among Sri Lanka Tamils? Governments followed preferential policies giving preference to Sinhalese applicants for university posts and government jobs. A new constitution stipulated that the state would protect and nurture Buddhism. All these government measures, one after another, gradually increased the feeling of alienation among Sri Lanka Tamils. How has majoritarianism increased the feeling of alienation among Sri Lanka Tamils? Explain with examples. Effect of majoritarianism: increased resentment of Tamils and alienation towards the government. In the 1980, demand for the creation of an independent Tamil Eelam in northeastern Sri Lanka. Conflict between Sinhalese and Tamils led to civil war. Thousands of people were killed and rendered homeless due to the civil war. Right to provisions of the Act passed in Sri Lanka in 1956 to establish Sinhalese supremacy. Following are two provisions of the Act passed in Sri Lanka in 1956 to establish Sinhalese supremacy. An act was passed in 1956 to make Sinhala the official language. The constitution provided state protection to Buddhism. How did Belgium and Sri Lanka resolve their cultural diversity? Answer: Belgian leaders tried to solve the ethnic problem by respecting the feelings and interests of different communities and regions, while the Sri Lanka government tried to solve the problem through majoritarianism. Why did Sri Lanka Tamils feel alienated even after living in Sri Lanka for a long time? Tamils started feeling alienated in Sri Lanka because majoritarianism started growing there. In Sri Lanka, the Sinhalese community constitutes approximately 74% of the population and the Tamil population is 18%, which includes both Sri Lanka Tamils and Indian Tamils. When was the Act passed to recognize Sinhala as the sole official language in Sri Lanka? The Official Languages Act No. 3 of 1956 was passed to recognize Sinhala as the sole official language in Sri Lanka. What is the state religion of Sri Lanka? What is the state religion of Sri Lanka? Buddhism. Like, share and subscribe please. Like, share and subscribe please.